Hello everybody, Swaminath here. Today we are going to see top 5 SAP support functional consultant daily tasks. The first thing is, before getting into the system, every day, first thing you have to do is monitor background jobs. Check for job failures or delays. This is the first and the foremost job done by the consultant. And this question they may ask you in the interview also. The question would be like this. As a functional consultant, what would you do when you switch on the system early in the morning? The first answer should be, I go monitor the background jobs. Check the jobs, failures or any delays. Next is check IDOC status in WE02 and WE05 transaction. Resolve any failed inbound outbound documents. Verify interface connections, SAP legacy or external systems. And check the batch input session in transaction code SM35. Reprocess the error if needed. Reprocess the error in the sense you have to reprocess the test environment, testing client. Review the open critical tickets from the previous days for the follow-up. Next, incident ticket handling core activity. Access the ticketing tool, ServiceNow, Remedy, Solution Manager, Jira tool. These are all management tool. Access the ticketing. Analyze the issue. Second, analyze the issue reported by the user, functional data or configuration related. Reproduce the issue in the test environment to understand root cause. If it is a configuration related, make changes in development system only. If it is a data related, guide user or use correction transaction like ME22N or BA02 or MIGO transaction. Collaborate with ABAP or basis team or technical team for system or code level fixes. Provide a resolution or workaround and update ticket documentation. Get the user confirmation before closure. Some of the examples are SD delivery not blocked due to credit limit. Check the BP, resolve credit issue. MM, PO release strategy not triggered. Check the configuration and release code set. In FI related, error posting invoice, validate, example, validate GL account, tax codes or cost center setup. Next, change request CR or service request or handling. Apart from the incident, business may raise change request also. Changes in the process or configurations. Review CR details and business justification. Discuss with the business users and process owners. Make the configuration in development system in SPRO settings. Test the same in test client, QA along with the users. QA client along with the users. Move the transport to the production after the approval, after the sign off from the testing team. Update change log and documentation. And for example, add new pricing conditions, create new plant or modify tolerance levels. Next, testing activity. Support consultant perform continuous validation and testing. Conduct unit testing for bug fixes and new changes. Assist with UAT, user acceptance testing. Assist with client business users. Perform regression testing after the patch or update. Maintain test evidence and attach it to the change document. In the test summary report, you have to do test summary report. Next, master data support. If it is in the scope, master data support. Support data correction request for material customer or vendor. Customer master and vendor master will be in BP transaction. Ensure data integrity between system, ECC, CRM, APO, and S/4HANA. See, SAP will never work alone. Data will be flowing from upstream application to SAP. That is what the meaning is. Sometimes data will not be flowing. For example, customer master will be flowing from upstream application, from CRM application, customer relationship management application to SAP application. So at that point of time, customer master may not flow to the SAP application. So you have to find it out where the error lies. Why customer master is not getting flow to SAP system. So at that point of time, the integration between a CRM system and SAP system, you have to check. PI integration, process integration. So you have to check, for example. That is the example for this. Assist with mass uploads using LSMW, BDC or BAPI. Open purchase order, open sales order, material master, customer master, vendor master, or by examples. Verify the consistency after the uploads in MM03 or BP transaction. These are all the support consultants everyday job. Thank you.